on my MacBook Pro and on my MacBook Air, in any app, when I type the quote and then I type any character, look what happens. It does an international character. If I do quote I, it does the same thing. Quote A, it does the same thing. Just quote E, quote E. This is a feature of the U.S. International Keyboard. How do we fix this? Let me show you how to fix it. You got to go to Settings on your Mac. In Settings, you got to go to Keyboard. I just simply type Keyboard up here. Go to Keyboard. In Keyboard, text input, input sources, US International PC, edit that. I need to replace this with the right keyboard. Hit the plus. I want to do English. I want US right there. English US, add it. There it is. Now that I have this there, I can click on this and remove that. And then hit done. Now I can close this. Now go back to the document I was testing on. Let's test it. Do quote I, it worked. Quote O, 1E, it works. Quote everyone, I get the result I'm looking for. Bottom line, the answer is on your MacBook, you need to switch your keyboard input from US International to simply US. I'm Teddy, Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.